Today we will be doing a Zappr review and demo walkthrough. Zappr is a powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to turn any video into unique content for your website. Take a look at how much money you could be making when you have targeted traffic hitting your pages and offers as a result of using Zappr. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Zappr demo review and walkthrough.
Hey guys, it's your friend Juan here, and this is a quick demo video of Zappr. Okay, so Zappr, it's a powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to create fresh, unique content for your sites in just a few seconds, in just a few clicks of the mouse. Okay, so as you already know, with fresh content, you can get more page rankings, more traffic, more sales. But creating content those days have been very hard. Okay, it's very time consuming if you're gonna do yourself, because you need to wake up, you need to think about what you're gonna write, then you need to write the post, then you need to double check the grammar and all that stuff. So it's very time consuming, and it's very hard to come up with new ideas every single day, right? So also, if you decide to outsource your content creation, it's a bit expensive as well. So that's the reason we created Zappr, to solve all those problems and create fresh content for you in just a few clicks. Okay, so as you can see here on Zappr, you have those two sections here. So video into post, article search, and video search. Okay, the video into post will allow you to turn any YouTube video into a text blog post. Then you have article search that will allow you to find hundreds or even thousands of articles in multiple niches and post right away to your site. And then you have video search, which will allow you to post video content. Video content is still very powerful, so with video search you can do that as well. Okay, so let's start with the video into post section. And the video into post here, it will allow you to turn any YouTube video into a blog post. Okay, so all you need to do is go to YouTube, then you can find any video related to your niche. Okay, any YouTube video. So just search for something about your niche. So this here is a video about personal development. Then all you need to do is grab the YouTube URL, okay, the YouTube URL of the video. And then you paste here on the Zappr plugin and click start. And what Zappr we're gonna do is we'll turn this this video into a blog post. Okay, so all I need to do is select the language here, English. Then as you can see, I can add the source link, I can add video, and I can add an image to the post as well. So I will just add the source link here, and all I need to do is click generate post, and done. Zappr created a unique test post for me here from this video. Okay, so I will view the post here, and as you can see, it's everything fine, with perfect grammar, with properly formatting as well. So I have all the text here, the text blog post here, and also I have the source link of the video. So if people want to watch the video, they can just click here and see that this is the source of my text blog post. Okay, so you just saw that in just seconds I turned this video into a text blog post here. Okay, and you can do that with any YouTube video. So just go to YouTube, find the video you want in any niche, put on Zappr, and Zappr will create the content for you. Okay, so that's the first way you can create content with Zappr. Okay, then the second way you can create content, it's by article search. And the article search, you can see here, you have 60 plus categories, including health and fitness, dating niche, weight loss niche, make money online, internet marketing, spirituality, motivation, and much more. So as you can see, I have a bunch of categories here, and on each of these categories, I have hundreds or even thousands of articles that they can choose from and post right away into my site. Okay, so let's say I have a site about dating. I just go to the category dating here. Then I can post as a draft or publish right away the articles. I will publish right away. Then I can choose an image for the article. So let's say I want to add the image, I just put dating here. And then I click search, okay? And then it will show me up all those articles here that I can post and use in my site. Also, as you can see, I can spin the articles. So if I want to make the content even more unique, if you want to make the content even more unique, you can, okay? Just click this button. And also you can enter a keyword here. Let's say you want to find something on the dating category here, like, I don't know, the best tips of dating. You just put tips here and click search, and it will search any article that have tips inside of the dating category, okay? But you can leave this blank as well and just select the posts you want, okay? The posts, the articles, okay? So I select these 3 articles here: 10 dating safety tips, 10 golden rules. Then I will select a few more articles. So let me see other articles. Okay, I selected 5 articles here, and now I need to do is click Save Results. Then I go to Import Results, and I just post the content to my website, okay? So I'm posting the content now. So basically, all you need to do, you go to article search, you select the articles you want to import, and you import the articles to your sites, okay? We have a database with hundreds and even thousands of articles in each category, each niche. So let me close this now, and let's see the post here, how it looks like. So as you can see, it have the image, and then you have a great article here with all well formatted, with the good grammar and all that stuff, okay? So that's it. So as you can see, in a few minutes, in a few seconds, basically, I created a lot of content to my site here. And then last one, you have the video search, and this will allow you to search for videos that you can post into your site, okay? So you just search, then you select the videos you want. So I'm searching here for weight loss videos. So you can search for any keyword, of course. And then you click Save Results, Import Results, and you can post all those videos into your site, okay? So let's see how it looks like. I just posted 2 videos here. Okay. And as you can see, you have the thumbnail image here, and you have the video. So the featured image and the video. So now I have the video content posted in my site as well. So that's the 3 ways you can create content with Zappr. So video into post, which will turn any video into a blog post. Then you have the article search, which will allow you to find hundreds or even thousands of articles in multiple niches and quickly import it to your site. And also the video search, which will allow you to find videos and import to your site video content as well, okay? So how easy it is to create content with Zappr, okay? So if you want to create more fresh content and automate all your content creation, you can do it this. So thanks so much for watching, and I see you inside.
Thank you for watching this Zappr review and demo walkthrough video. To find out more about Zappr, click the link in the description below.